10 साल हो गए हैं। It's been 10 years. It's been 10 years. वह ऐसे ही बोलता है। That's how he speaks. That's how he speaks. उसे छोड़ो, तुम बताओ। Let that be, you tell me. Let that be, you tell me. पटना कब आ रहे हो? When are you coming to पटना? अब क्या बोलूं? Now what to say? Now what to say? अभी मैं कुछ नहीं बोल सकता। I can't say anything now. I can't say anything now. देखो कब छुट्टी मिलती है। Let's see when I get leave. पर आना जरूर, ठीक है। But do come, okay? But do come, okay? क्या क्या बोल रहे हो? मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा। What all are you speaking? I am not getting it. आपको लिखने में गलती हुई है। You made a mistake in writing. You made a mistake in writing. वह इस समय पढ़ाई करता होगा। He would be studying this time. He would be studying this time. दरअसल यह गलती से हो गया। Actually it was done by mistake. Actually it was done by mistake. यह सब तुम्हारे वजह से हुआ। It's all because of you. It's all because of you. तुम ज़रूरत से ज़्यादा बोलते हो। You speak more than necessary. You speak more than necessary. उनका मन कभी भी पलट सकता है। He has a flexible mind. He has a flexible mind. मैं सीधे सीधे बात करने वाला लड़का हूँ। I am a straightforward guy. I am a straightforward guy. मुझे उसके लिए बुरा लग रहा है। I am feeling bad for him. I am feeling bad for him. उसके पापा पुराने ख्यालात के आदमी हैं। His father is an orthodox person. वह तुम्हारी परिस्थितियों को नहीं समझ सकते। He can't understand your situation. चिंता करने की कोई बात नहीं है। There is nothing to worry about. There is nothing to worry about. मैं उनसे बात कर लूँगा कल। I will talk to him tomorrow. I will talk to him tomorrow. मैं उन्हें समझाने की कोशिश करूँगा। I will try to make him understand. I will try to make him understand. अभी जाओ और मुझे आराम करने दो। Now go and let me get some rest. तुझे मैं ही मिला था उल्लू बनाने के लिए। You didn't find anyone else to make fool. मैं तुम्हें बहुत अच्छे से जानता हूँ। I know you very well. I know you very well. यह कभी नहीं हो सकता। It can never happen. It can never happen. इसे मजाक में मत लो। You can say don't take it jokingly. Don't take it jokingly. पर मैं सच बोल रहा हूँ। But I am speaking the truth. But I am speaking the truth. अच्छा सबूत क्या है? You can say, well, what is the evidence? Well, what is the evidence? यह गलत भी तो हो सकता है। You can say, it could be fake as well. It could be fake as well. नहीं मानना है तो मत मानो। If you don't wanna believe, then don't. If you don't wanna believe, then don't. पर इससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता। But it doesn't make any difference. But it doesn't make any difference. तुम समझते क्या हो मुझे? What do you think I am? What do you think I am? मैं तुम्हें बेवकूफ़ दिखता हूँ क्या? Do you find me for a fool? Do you find me for a fool? वह बात बिल्कुल अलग है। That's a different matter altogether. That's a different matter altogether. सिर्फ बोलने से कुछ नहीं होगा। Nothing will happen by speaking only. मुझे सबूत चाहिए। आई वॉन्ट एविडेंस। आई वॉन्ट एविडेंस। मैं सुनी सुनाई बातों पर यकीन नहीं करता। आई डोंट बिलीव इन हेयर से। आई डोंट बिलीव इन हेयर से। तुम अपना समय बर्बाद कर रहे हो। यू आर वेस्टिंग योर टाइम। यू आर वेस्टिंग योर टाइम। वह अपने आगे किसी की नहीं सुनता। He always overpowers others. उसे ऐसा नहीं बोलना चाहिए था। He shouldn't have spoken so. He shouldn't have spoken so. अब जो हो गया सो हो गया। Now what is done can't be undone. Now what is done can't be undone. वह समझता क्यों नहीं है? Why doesn't he understand? Why doesn't he understand? मुझे बताओ मैं उसे कैसे समझाऊं? Tell me how I make him understand. Tell me how I make him understand. अब मैं और बर्दाश्त नहीं कर सकता। Now I can't take it any longer. Now I can't take it any longer. मैं रोज के खिच-खिच से तंग आ गया हूँ। I am fed up with every day's wrangling. कैसे कैसे लोग रहते हैं यहाँ? You can say what type of people live here? What type of people live here? उसने अपने बेटे का नाम अंशु रखा है। He has named his son अंशु। इसे जेब में रख लो। Put it in the pocket. Put it in the pocket. उस पर मत हंसो। Don't laugh at him. Don't laugh at him. तुम्हारा मतलब क्या है? What do you mean? What do you mean? यह सही बात नहीं है। It's not good thing. क्या आप शादी में जाओगे? Will you go in the wedding? Will you go in the wedding? नहीं, मैं नहीं जाऊंगा। No, I will not go. No, I will not go. जैसा आपको ठीक लगे। As you feel like. As you feel like. कितने अपमान की बात है। How disgraceful. How disgraceful. मुझे कैसे भी करके उससे मिलना है। I have to meet him anyhow. I have to meet him anyhow. वह बहुत ज़्यादा भाव खाता है। He acts so pricey. He acts so pricey. उसकी औकात क्या है तुम्हारे सामने? What is his worth in front of you? What is his worth in front of you? पाप से डरो, पापी से नहीं। Afraid of doing sin, not from sinner. मैं तुम्हें एक पैसा भी नहीं दूंगा। I won't give you even a single पैसा। तुम समझते क्या हो अपने आप को? What do you think of yourself? What do you think of yourself? मुझे तुम्हारी एहसान की ज़रूरत नहीं है। I don't need your favor. I don't need your favor. अपना पैसा अपने पास रखो। Keep your money to yourself. Keep your money to yourself. आज के बाद से मुझसे बात मत करना। Don't talk to me from today onwards. Don't talk to me from today onwards. तुम सिर्फ कहने के दोस्त हो। You are a so-called friend. You are a so-called friend. दुनिया में कोई किसी का नहीं होता। No one is anyone's in the world. किसी से ज़्यादा उम्मीद मत करो। Don't expect much from anyone. Don't expect much from anyone. खैर अब इस बारे में बात करने से कोई फ़ायदा नहीं। Anyway, it's no use talking about it now. कुछ करने का मन नहीं कर रहा है। I don't feel like doing anything. I don't feel like doing anything. अब बहस करने से क्या फ़ायदा? What is the use of arguing now? What is the use of arguing now? मेरा उसके साथ बोलचाल नहीं है। I am not on speaking terms with him. इससे कुछ नहीं होगा। Nothing will happen with it. Nothing will happen with it. मुझे कुछ हटकर करना पड़ेगा। I will have to do something different. I will have to do something different. मुझे आपसे बहुत उम्मीदें हैं। I have a lot of hopes from you. मैं आपकी कैसे मदद कर सकता हूँ? How can I help you? How can I help you? मैं वहाँ नहीं जा सका। I couldn't go there. I couldn't go there. क्योंकि मुझे कहीं और जाना था। Because I had to go to somewhere else. यही तो मैं सुनना चाहता था। This is what I wanted to hear. This is what I wanted to hear. यही तो मैं जानना चाहता था। This is what I wanted to know. This is what I wanted to know. तुम समझते क्यों नहीं हो? Why don't you understand? Why don't you understand? मुझे अगले चौराहे पर उतार देना। Drop me at next crossing. Drop me at next crossing. मैं अपना फ़ोन घर पे भूल गया। I have forgot my phone at home. I have forgot my phone at home. तुमने मेरी मन की बात कह दी। You spoke my mind. You spoke my mind. लगता है तुम्हें मज़ा नहीं आया। It seems you didn't enjoy. It seems you didn't enjoy. हमारा नया घर बन रहा है। Our new house is getting built. Our new house is getting built. तुम्हें नहीं खाना है तो मत खाओ। If you don't wanna eat, then don't. If you don't wanna eat, then don't. वह मुझ पर हावी होने की कोशिश कर रहा था। He was trying to dominate me. He was trying to dominate me. शादी न होने की वजह से वह दुखी है। She is upset for not getting married. मुझे सब पता है। You can say, I know everything. I know everything. मैंने तुम्हारे लिए 2 सेब बचा के रखे हैं। I have spared 2 apples for you. कहना आसान है पर करना मुश्किल। It is easy to say but difficult to do. It is easy to say but difficult to do. घर की मुर्गी दाल बराबर। There is no fan of domestic hen. There is no fan of domestic hen. मुझे तुम्हारी बहुत याद आएगी। I'm gonna miss you a lot. I'm gonna miss you a lot. मैं चाहकर भी उससे नहीं मिल सका। I wanted to meet her but couldn't. I wanted to meet her but couldn't. इसी तरह आप इंग्लिश बोल सकते हैं। This is how you can speak English. This is how you can speak English. तुम क्या पी रहे हो? What are you drinking? What are you drinking? क्या यह शराब है? Is it wine? Is it wine? नहीं, यह शराब नहीं है। No, it's not wine. No, it's not wine. क्या तुम उसे जानते हो? Do you know him? Do you know him? तुम उसे कैसे जानते हो? How do you know him? How do you know him? वह मेरा दूर का भाई है। He is my distant brother. He is my distant brother. क्या यह सच है? Is it true? Is it true? और बताओ भाई। Tell me more bro. Tell me more bro. मुझे क्या, जाना है तो जाओ। What to me? If you wanna go, then go. What to me? If you wanna go, then go. मैं तुम्हें पैसे नहीं दिलवा सकता। I can't get you money. I can't get you money. तुम इतना झूठ क्यों बोलते हो? Why do you tell a lie so much? Why do you tell a lie so much? तुम वहाँ जाकर क्या करोगे? What will you do by going there? What will you do by going there? मैं अपना फैसला खुद ले सकता हूँ। I can take my decision myself. I can take my decision myself. वह एक नेता रह चुके हैं। He has been a leader. He has been a leader. अब उसे क्या हो गया? Now what happened to her? Now what happened to her? मैं तुम्हारे घर आने की सोच रहा था। I was thinking to come to your home. I was thinking to come to your home. मैं तो बस आपकी मदद करना चाहता था। I just wanted to help you. I just wanted to help you. अपने पैसे अपने पास रखो। Keep your money to yourself. Keep your money to yourself. दूसरों के काम में दखल मत दो। Don't interfere in others' work. Don't interfere in others' work. किसी के बोलने से कुछ नहीं होगा। Nothing will happen by saying anyone. Nothing will happen by saying anyone. किसी का नहीं सुनो। Don't listen to anyone. Don't listen to anyone. अपने काम से काम रखो। Mind your own business. Mind your own business. उसे नीचा मत दिखाओ। Don't embarrass him. Don't embarrass him. जो होना था सो हो गया। Whatever was to happen is done. Whatever was to happen is done. अगर वो कर सकता है तो आप क्यों नहीं? If he can do it, why can't you? If he can do it, why can't you? मैंने अपनी पूरी कोशिश की। I tried my best. I tried my best. पर मैं नहीं कर सका। But I couldn't do it. But I couldn't do it. चुल्लू भर पानी में डूब मरो। Shame on you. Shame on you. मुझे आपसे यह उम्मीद नहीं थी। I didn't expect this from you. I didn't expect this from you. बाजार से क्या क्या लाए? What all did you bring from the market? What all did you bring from the market? डरो मत, कुछ नहीं होगा। Don't be afraid, nothing will happen. Don't be afraid, nothing will happen. हमें किसी पर हंसना नहीं चाहिए। We shouldn't laugh on anyone. We shouldn't laugh on anyone. यह जूता आपको नहीं आएगा। This shoes won't fit in you. This shoes won't fit in you. खरे खरे पैर में दर्द हो गया। My leg is hurting while standing. क्या तुम्हारा घर अभी भी वहीं है? Is your house still over there? Is your house still over there? लॉकडाउन के कारण ट्रेन बंद थी। The train was not running due to lockdown. यहाँ एक स्कूल हुआ करता था। There used to be a school here. There used to be a school here. वह तुम्हारी होने वाली भाभी है। She is your would-be sister-in-law. She is your would-be sister-in-law. मैं बाल कटवाने गया था। I had gone to get my hair cut. I had gone to get my hair cut. तुम्हें वहाँ जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। You don't need to go there. You don't need to go there. मैं पापा को कैसे मनाऊँ? How do I persuade my dad? How do I persuade my dad? वह पार्टी छोड़कर चला गया। He walked away from the party. He walked away from the party. मुझे ये कविता पढ़कर सुनाओ। Read out this poem to me. Read out this poem to me. हम सबको खुश नहीं कर सकते। We can't please everyone. We can't please everyone. तुम किस खेत की मूली हो? What's your worth? What's your worth? आते वक्त आम लेते हुए आना। Bring mangoes while returning. Bring mangoes while returning. रोज आने जाने से इज्जत कम हो जाती है। A constant guest is never welcome. तुम हमेशा मुझे देखकर क्यों हंसते हो? Why do you always laugh by seeing me?